This plant can predict rain more accurately than a weatherman. This is Texas sage, or Leucophyllum frutescens, also sometimes called cenizo. And it is a shrubby plant that's native to northern Mexico and the southwestern United States, including Texas, of course. It has a silvery foliage and is semi-evergreen. It also gets some beautiful flowers on it, which pollinators absolutely love. But what's really interesting about the flowers are the timing of when this plant blooms. You see, this plant is known for blooming a few days before it rains in the summertime. And it's almost always right. If you see this plant blooming during the months of June, July, or August, you can almost rest assured that within the next few days, it's going to rain. But how does it know that it's going to rain? Well, we aren't exactly sure, but we do know that this plant can react very quickly to changes in humidity. Pair that more humid air with a cold front coming in from the north, and you've got rain all of a sudden in the summertime. It's pretty astounding, actually, and in my years of observing this plant, it's been right way more than it's been wrong. If you're interested in growing this plant, there are quite a few different cultivars on the market now. Most of them are going to grow between 4 and 8 feet tall. They're all extremely drought tolerant once they're established, and it's going to grow best in zones 8 through 11.